Hello viewers, today I'll be showing you how I make Malai broccoli, a delicious appetizer of broccoli, wonderful and drool worthy. This broccoli recipe doesn't involve much time or ingredients, very healthy and delicious. Let's see how we make it. I am using small broccoli floret. Make it in pieces, boil it for 1 minute and rinse in cold water. Now pat dry with kitchen towel. Take a bowl, add 3 tablespoons thick curd, 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon green chilli paste or crushed green chilies, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon fresh cream, 2 tablespoon cheddar cheese. Give it a very good mix. Now adding 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Mix well. And now I am going to add broccoli. Coat this very well. Marinate this for 30 minutes and now I am going to heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place marinated broccoli one by one. Now place leftover marination on top of the broccoli. Cook this for 2 minutes on one side till golden brown. Now turn the broccolis on the other side. Cook for 2 minutes till it becomes golden brown. And now I am placing grated mozzarella cheese on top of the broccolis. Close the lid and leave it for few seconds till cheese melts. Remove them and serve it with your favorite dips. Simple and roasted Malai broccoli is great. The inspiration behind this recipe comes from Ashwin. He made this recipe in Cook with Comali show. Do try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. Do tag us on Instagram page shimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon so that you will get notification every time we post a new recipe. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and have a nice day.